Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. So, you have heard for ChatGPT, but have you ever heard wanted AI actually does a thing into your computer while you're away? Well, the OpenClaw is a self-hosted AI agent. It can read your emails, organize your files, even control your smart home, all through a DM in WhatsApp or Telegram. Because OpenClaw has hands on your system, setting up safely is the most important part. So today I'm going to be showing you 10 elements that you need to get started. First of all, you want need to course a Node JS 22 or higher. If you don't have it, go to the Node JS or and grab the LTS version. For this, I'm going to go directly for Node JS.org. And usually you want to grab the LTS version, basically for Windows, for example, and you can copy this directly for your clipboard, or you can download directly from the Windows install. You will also need an API key. I recommend the Entropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It's the smartest brain for this bot. So you can grab your key if you open any tab and type the word console.entropic.com. And here you can grab the API that you might be needing. Now, the step number 2 is the actual installation. If you open PowerShell into your computer, what I need to do is to type an actual command to launch the onboarding wizard. Once this has now been successfully opened, what you want to do is to install the actual element directly inside there. It will ask you for the API key to paste it. The installation with daemon flag ensures the bot stay running even if you're close to the window. So if I go directly here into the OpenClaw.ai, it says here what people say, quick start. Here what I wanted to do is to type the one-liner. I go for the option that says continue. There we go. Copy, and you paste it directly here into the PowerShell. Just like that, it says OpenClaw installer. Okay, Windows detected. Basically, the node, it will be installed directly inside there. So as you can see, it actually works directly inside here. Right, so it says downloading, the installer. We have now successfully done that. Now to connect your messenger, to click there, you want to type the OpenClaw channel plugin and select WhatsApp or Telegram that usually appears directly inside here. There's a QR code that will be appearing, and you can open WhatsApp into your phone and go to the linked device and scan it just like you're logging into the WhatsApp web. In my case, we want to do that at the moment since we have a few, let's say, codes and files that are strictly forbidden for me to reveal at the moment. So if we expose our elements directly inside there, we will be let's say really done. So I'm going to close these elements for now. I don't need it to focus directly inside there. I'm going to tell you just really quick that the skills and the security of the sandboxing, by default the OpenClawing is restricted to let it manage files or search the web. You need to enable those skills, right? So crucial security step here is that if you're a beginner, you want to run the OpenClaw in a sandbox, and this prevents the AI from accidentally deleting the important system files and misunderstands the actual command. So you can tell OpenClaw to check your emails every, I don't know, 30 minutes. Is urgent, alert only if this is urgent. For example, this is the proactive mode that makes it a true assistant. Now in conclusion, I can tell you that you now have 24/7 AI employees running onto your hardware. But if you want, of course, to make sure that this one is secure, you want, of course, to make the few integrations directly into the PowerShell. And for that, usually what I do is to go for OpenClaw install secure way. For example, there's a lot of tutorials that can be helping us with these specific elements. So hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have fun with the OpenClaw.